we have an explicit function where y is explicitly stated as a function of x. And here is the implicit form, where it's implied that y is a function of x. And we use the chain rule to differentiate such a function implicitly. So here is an example of the implicit form, and we aim to find the derivative of y with respect to x. So for the y terms, we differentiate those using the chain rule. So differentiate with respect to y first, and multiply that by dy dx. And for the x terms, we can just differentiate them directly. So what we end up with is 2y dy dx minus 5, which we'll put on the other side, so that will be equal to 5. And we divide through by 2y, and that gives the derivative of y with respect to x. Let's find the derivative of y with respect to x, and we have the implicit form as g of xy is equal to 0. So where there's y terms, we differentiate using the chain rule. So we have 3y squared by dy dx, and similarly we differentiate with respect to y first and multiply by dy dx. And for the x terms, we differentiate with respect to x directly. So 3x to the minus 1 becomes minus 3x to the minus 2, or minus 3 on x squared. And that's all equal to 0. And now we can factor out dy dx. And put the remaining terms on the other side of the equation. And then dividing through by this term gives us the final result.